Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Quorum sensing molecules show amazing structural similarities across different bacterial species, so we need to find a research question that links these structures to their evolutionary history. Finally, we conclude that option B is the best choice because it directly investigates the evolutionary link between molecular structure and shared ancestry. That makes option B our final. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given data and check your steps carefully.